National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Rankin County in central Mississippi until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Philwood, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. In attack, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect hail damage to roads. Sighting.
Sorry guys, I just wanted to see.
Locations include Jackson, Pearl, Brandon, and Troy. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Alright guys, severe the thunderstorm warning for North Mississippi got closer to the stereo so you can actually hear it. So alright guys, hope you enjoy this alert.